coffees, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make carrot curry, that is which you can use it for all the chapati or dosa and all. So fresh carrots ahead, so let's start cooking. So as you can see, I have grated the carrots. I've taken around some 6 to 7 carrots, and I've grated it. So this is ready. Then other ingredients. These are the ingredients for the carrot curry. So now it's been divided into dry items and wet items. So first we'll go for the dry ingredients. So dry ingredients are mustard seeds, jeera seeds, chana dal, urad dal, ingwa, and the dry chilies. And then we have the wet items. The wet ones are onions, green chilies, curry leaves, and some crushed garlic. So let's start. I have taken a basin, a big wok. So add some oil. We normally use little more oil. Yeah, that's enough. Allow it to get heated up. Actually, I'm going to add some chilies to the hot oil because it will give the proper very good flavors. So first I add the green chilies, stir it nicely, allow it to wait, then add the garlic nicely in the oil, then curry leaves and the dry ingredients, and onions, sorry. And dry ingredients. Stir it. So why I've added first the dry ingredients is because it will take the flavors first. The carrot will take the flavors. So that's the main reason. Then now you can add your dry ingredients. All of them. So it's getting heated, so add some turmeric, some salt, that is what we call rock salt. Rock salt as required, and some red chili powder, very little, because I have taken a lot of green chilies, so you have to just add very little amount of red chilies, and then stir it. Stir it nicely. And now add the carrots. To the mixture. And stir it and allow it to settle down for a while. Stir it nicely with the ingredients and allow it to settle down, so it will become much smaller quantity. After stirring and all, after the water is completely drained out, The carrot curry has come like this. So to this we are going to add some finely chopped coriander seeds. It's so colorful. So you can check for salt and all. For salt, you can check if at all if the salt is less, you can add at this time. So, but mine, the curry has perfect salt. So stir it nicely, allow it to cook, and to this we are going to add lemon juice. The lemon juice. And it's going to give that tanginess to the carrots, the sweetness, spice, and sour, balanced. Will balance the sweetness, taste of the carrot. So ready to be served. As you can see, I've got this baby tomatoes also, freshly from the farm, and some cucumber and some onion for chapati and carrot palya. And I've dished out the chapati. It would be an amazing combination, guys. And this one, carrot palya and some salad. So hope you liked my video. Please like the video, subscribe and share the video. Thank you. Thank you so much.